wanted to kind of show everybody, you know, what's included with our dummy, kind of how our dummies work. We are offering this new style, dual latch. Comes with custom handmade leather pads. It's kind of a new style. It's dual latch, single remote. But it comes with an extra remote. So that is 2 single remotes. So it's kind of hard to fail. You could always keep an extra remote in your pocket. It has full dual internals. Same thing on both. It's got dual batteries, dual boards, of course dual latches underneath. All runs off 1 single remote, but we do throw a dual remote, a second remote in, so you can always keep it handy just in case your remote fails, I guess. Also comes with 2 battery chargers. Batteries do not have to be removed. They can just be plugged in and charged. So I just wanted to show everybody what we've got going on.